Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to check battery health using computer app on ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and now search up Ampere. Install the app. Now once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app, consent and OK. And as you can see, my battery health is good. Now I can also swipe to left or to right to display all the information in different themes. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.